Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft. In this video, I wanted to show you some tips how we can fix incoming SMS. So sometimes happen then our clients install our application TwiSMS, and for some reason they're able to send SMS, but they not able to get SMS. And usually that happened because during the installation you install all applications you see in marketplace for SMS, and some of them use Twilio as well, and you try to setting some of them, then you try to set TwiSMS, and these applications conflict between each other. Okay, so I will show you straight away how you can fix that. So once you've done installation of TwiSMS, which is this application, clearly says TwiSMS, you need to delete from your portal all REST application which use outgoing incoming SMS using Twilio. Okay, because you've done some settings there as well which make a conflict with that application. Once you've done that, you need to click save again. So you deleted all application and save again. So after that, try to get incoming SMS. So if that not help, go to your Twilio account. So go to your Twilio account and go to active numbers, and so go to TwiSMS now and find number which you assigned to as a dedicated number for particular person, or it could be, for example, number for all users. It doesn't matter in that case. In my particular case, I got a dedicated number, so 6122, and I'm going here 6122, going inside. So I need to scroll down, and I need to find this. A message comes in webhook, and you need to be sure that you got that webhook, right? So it means that you should to have something like TwiSMS, EMCsoft.pro, Twilio SMS and webhook, and then ID of that webhook. Right. So sometimes if you done a wrong installation, you will have here something like a demo, Twilio, blah blah blah. Okay, so you should have webhook with ID. And if you not see that, you need to delete TwiSMS application. So if you don't know how to delete, you need to just go to marketplace again. Market. Type here TwiSMS. And delete. Right. Delete with all settings data. Checkbox that and delete. Right. So once you delete it, install again. Do the settings here. So settings here, dedicate number, or just assign one number for all users and click save. Go back to Twilio and check again if you got that webhook in assigned for particular number. Right. If you have it, means that it should work. But if that didn't work, it could be some there is some problems on Twilio side. You just need to copy this, paste here, and save configuration. Right. Then delete it and save configuration gate. It will be like rewrite these settings, this webhook back in Twilio, and do the testing of incoming SMS again. Right. But if even that didn't help, I would recommend you to buy another number. Go to phone numbers, manage, buy a number, type number you need here, select the country and buy it by this button. And then once you get that number, go back to TwiSMS, select that number from the list and save again. And that should work. Okay, but even that didn't help, so you have only one option. Go to help me now here, click on it. So you can assign a time when you may talk with our team. So select a time here, or just type a message. Please help me with the TwiSMS installation. So one of our team will get that message, and we absolutely happy to help you with this. So you see that message come to our Bittrex, and I see it. Right. It could be some minor problems, like you got outgoing SMS from here. For example, you test an SMS from the contact. Okay, so you got a number and you write an SMS, and you have incoming SMS, but you have no notification here. The thing is that incoming SMS will come to that object. Object means the contact, company, lead, or deal, where from you sent last time. So for example, if you send a SMS from contact, you should get incoming SMS in contact. If you have outgoing SMS from lead, you should incoming SMS in lead. If you have no outgoing SMS, priority is follow: deal number 1, lead number 2, contact number 3, and company number 4. So for example, I'm sending SMS from contact, and so I will change responsible myself and send in like test 5. So click more, SMS, send. So and now I get that SMS. Now I'm replying to that SMS. Okay, I got in contact because I sent from the contact, and I got notification here that I got an SMS. But in case if I will change to another responsible person, and I will send SMS again, in that case I got income SMS but no notification, because notification will come on the person who is responsible for the object, in that case contact. So Marcos got notification, not me. If I will put myself back, so I will get notification. Right. Sometimes happen that during the testing you can, for example, make a mistake, or try to different objects and send SMS from lead, okay, and expect to get SMS, incoming SMS in contact. For example, here I will change responsible inside to the lead. I will change responsible to Marcos, and I will send SMS to myself. Okay. Then I reply to myself, and I expect to get, for some reason, SMS inside of a contact. So I'm sending SMS and I'm waiting for something. Okay. And nothing happened except this new incoming SMS. So this is just a copy in command to contact, because contact got the same number as the lead, right? And what physically happened? That you got incoming SMS inside to the lead, and you didn't see it because you expect to get in contact, and notification got by Marcos because he is responsible for the lead. Okay, so not be confused. Always check who is responsible for the lead to contact from the object where from you want to send SMS, to let you to get that SMS as a responsible person for the object. Okay, And so incoming SMS will come to the same object where from you got last sending of SMS. For example, you got lead and deal with the same number, or 2 deals or 5 leads. So incoming SMS will come to the object where from SMS sending as a last time. Okay, that's it. Again, if you not managed to fix incoming SMS, probably could be some other problems which I didn't cover in that video. So send me, click on help button here, help me now button, and send me a message, and one of our team will happy to help you. So thank you and bye bye guys. Enjoy TwiSMS.